One ayat in this ruku, which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions, Allah ta'ala says, لا يكلف الله نفسا إلا وسعها. Allah ta'ala says that, look, deen isn't difficult. We have made only those things necessary which you are able to do. If you find it difficult, it's not because it is difficult, it's because you are not healthy enough to carry it out. If a person is ill and you tell him to carry even if it's 2 kg, he'll struggle. Why? Because he's physically not well. Not that to lift 2 kgs is difficult. 2 kgs anybody can lift. But the reason he's unable to do it is because he is physically not healthy enough to do it. So similarly, if we feel that, no, this is too hard. 5 times namazes, I can't do that. Or I can't safeguard my gazes. I can't do this. Yes, it's difficult, but it's not impossible. Everything's possible. Allah Ta'ala says, لا يكلف الله نفسا إلا وسعها. Everything's possible. And if we find it extremely difficult, how can I stay away from music? How can I stay away from drugs? How can I do this? No, this is, it's impossible. In this day and age, you've got to do it. You've got to move with the times. You have to do these kind of things. No. Allah Ta'ala says, no, everything's possible. The reason you are unable to do it is because you are spiritually unhealthy. If you become spiritually healthy, and if you have the spiritual stamina within yourself, then you will see that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will assist you and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will make it easy for you. But a person needs that resolve within himself. And a person needs to understand this point. And a person needs that encouragement within, and that resolve within, and that resolution within himself. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will make it easy for him. So we need to understand this point. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made deen easy. Inna ad-deena yusrun. Allah ta'ala says deen is easy. Nothing in this deen is difficult. But it is for us that we understand this and we try to make things easy for ourselves. We need to remember, as somebody says, that every sinner has a future and every saint has a past. So we need to understand this. Okay, what situation? I can't. I'm so sinful. How am I going to do something? No, every sinner has a future, and every saint has a past. That person, oh, he's so pious. He's on another level. I can't reach that level. I can't do what he does. But no, he also had a past.